Good day, sir. We are about to discuss the weekly notices to the mariners.
I am Numer Orteliano.
I am Renante Agalan Jr.
I am Janrel Angkla.
I am Kevin Witt.
And I am Christian A. Maldora.
The part 1 of the weekly notices to the mariners is explanatory note. It gives a brief description about the various contents in the book. The various laws and regulations of all countries pertaining to navigational and understood here. Mao ni siya ang lista sa mga affected by this week publications.
And for the part 2 is updates of the navigational charts. In this part, it gives introduction for the updating of standard navigational charts and selected thematic charts. Diri nga part mo hatag mo kuan sa gadire, mo inserting, replacing, editing o pag-edit sa chart, mao ra to siya. Lain pa na po'y blocks and notes accompanying notices in section 2 are placed within section 2. Temporary and preliminary notices are printed on the side of the paper.
For the part 3, reference of major navigational warnings. Serial numbers of all the area one message of force. Reference of messages issued during the week. Messages pertaining to other areas, hydroland, hydropath, along with selected. Important messages for these areas are selected. Sa part 3, mo na yung summary sa navigational chart.
Go. For the part 4, amendment to sailing direction. Deals with the amendment to sailing direction course and the end of a year are written in the annual summary of the notice to mariners. A list of amendment course is published in selection 5 of the weekly edition for the last week of each month. Part 4, mauli pagkita sa chart catalog.
Dito. For the part 5, amendments to the Admiralty lights and fog signals. Admiralty list of the lights is corrected from section 5 of the weekly edition of ANTM. When a light is affected by a notice, its light list number quoted. The entire entry for each light amendment will be printed, including minor changes. And interest will denoted which column contains significant amendments. The range of a light is normally the normal range except of the responsible authority, codes, luminous, or geographical range.
The section 6, reference of radio navigational warning. When a chart updating notice is issued for a radio beacon, its Admiralty list of radio signals volume 2. Reference number is quoted followed in parentheses by the number of weekly edition containing the corresponding amendment to the